meeting to order. This is the Bethel Township, Miami County, Ohio, February 25th, 2020, regular business meeting. The time is 7 p.m. First, we're going to do a pledge of allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Next, we need the approval of the minutes.
I'll move for the approval of February 11th regular meeting minutes and the approval of the February 18th workshop meeting minutes.
I'll second that.
It's been moved and seconded. Is there any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call roll?
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Biggs? Sorry, Mr. Biggs.
Yes.
It's awful today. Sorry, Mrs. Van Haren.
Yes, motion passes.
Sorry.
Next, we have staff reports. Miami County Sheriff's Deputy, you're up.
Deputy Miller Sheriff's Office, we don't have anything new to pass on. Do you guys have anything for us?
I don't think so. I brought up a couple things last time, but that's it.
Yeah,
I did as well last time.
Does anybody in the audience have anything for the Sheriff's Deputy?
Thank you. Doing great work.
Appreciate it.
Thanks for coming out.
Yeah, no problem. Let us know if you need anything.
Okay.
Thank you.
Be safe.
Yeah, be careful.
Thanks so much.
Okay, next we have a report from the fire department, Andy Earhart.
Since the last period, we've had 21 incidents here in the township. One cooking fire that was confined to the container, which is basically like on the stove type of thing.
Okay.
We did have a chimney fire, which was easily put out with some extinguishers and confined to the chimney. We had several EMS calls. And we did have 4 motor vehicle accidents, including one fatal crash, a single vehicle crash on Route 40. And so, unfortunately, it's just a combination of speed and not paying attention to the roadway. So,
Where on 40?
it was down that way. I don't remember the address off the top of my head. 2300 block, I think it was.
Yeah.
Right before Sullivan.
Yeah, right before
Oh,
Salt.
Then they missed the curve or something.
They just
Okay.
wrecked.
Gotcha.
So, I mean, there's no other way to describe that. So, I don't know if all the different things were involved and couldn't really
Yeah.
tell you if there was. So,
Yeah,
anyways, yeah, but it was a fatal crash, so we did have one of those here in the township on Route 40. And other than that, we were dispatched and canceled a couple of times.
okay. Great. Any other questions for Andy? All right, moving on, we have a report from the planning and zoning department, Marty Caskey.
Thank you, Beth. We had 2, since the last trustee meeting, 2 zoning certificates, one for new residents and one for an addition to an accessory building. And then the Board of Zoning Appeals still has the same 4 applications in process. And then the zoning commission has the same that you saw last time, with the exception of the ZA 03-20 on Ross Road, and that's 2 R1 AAA parcels being split from 81.244 acres that are A2 now. So we've had, again, 8 certificates so far this year, 1 declaration for an agricultural building, 4 variances requested and 1 approved so far. So our next Miami County Planning Commission meeting is the 17th, and we will have case ZA 0220. That is at the corner of 201 and 40 where the church is. And then also the Township Board of Zoning Appeals and the Zoning Commission will be meeting on Thursday, February the 27th. Both of them have 1 case apiece. Any questions?
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. All right, moving on, we have the administrator's report.
There's one resolution on your agenda tonight, that's for the fire department. We've been working on looking at replacing our bay heaters, as you all know from having a couple meetings over there, they need some work. They're the old gas propane heaters. We're going to be replacing them with more efficient, still propane heaters. We looked at doing radiant heating, like above the apparatus in the tower with our ceiling height. The recommendation was it could actually cause some damage to the vehicles and the hose that we keep on the top. So the recommendation was to stay with the blower furnaces in the corners. So we're replacing those. Actual cost so far from the quote is $5,017. However, because we don't know if there's any lines that need fixed or replaced, I've done the resolution not to exceed $5,500. So that gives us a little room just in case something happens. Also, just to follow up from last meeting, we're still waiting from Chris Englert from the prosecutor's office for a follow-up on the legal request for the withdrawal of the Palmer and 40 case. We haven't heard back from him yet. We would expect to be hearing back relatively soon. And as far as I know, we haven't heard from the Board of Elections about the
No.
certification yet, but those are still in the process, and it will still continue on as in the process until we get something from Trevor, or not from Trevor, from Chris to follow up on that request. And that's all I have.
All right, great. All right, any comments or items on the agenda? Anybody? Nope, okay, moving on, we have two action items. First, we have resolution 2002-029.
This is a resolution to install 3 new heaters for the fire department bay from Kirkwood Heating at a cost not to exceed $5,500.
I move for the approval of resolution 20-02-029.
And I'll second that.
It's been moved and seconded. Is there any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mr. Biggs?
Yes.
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Huren?
Yes, motion passes. Next, we have announcements.
Quick typo on that for the March 16th. That's not another annexation meeting. That's actually a land use meeting, but I'll get to that here in a second. February 27th, we do have the BZA and Zoning Commission meetings at 6:30 and 7:30 respectively. March 3rd, we have a trustees workshop meeting in this room if needed at 8 a.m. March 10th will be a public hearing on the zoning case that Marty mentioned earlier, as well as a regular meeting by the trustees at 7 p.m. March 16th will be the land use public workshop at 7 p.m. And March 17th will then be the regular meeting of the trustees, or I'm sorry, workshop meeting of the trustees. I told you I forgot my glasses, at 8 a.m. And then the regular board of trustees meeting will be on March 24th.
One of us could have read this.
Yeah, I'm sorry. My arms aren't long enough.
Yeah,
to
you
go
go
like
like
that.
that with longer arms.
Andy, have we set the date for the Easter egg hunt yet?
No, I will probably be meeting with the group that helps us with that, or pretty much does it. I haven't heard from them, but I have that on my calendar to reach out to them.
Okay.
Isn't Easter like the 13th?
It's still a ways off.
Yeah.
I've just been trying to post.
Usually we start doing stuff about a month early on the Easter egg hunt,
Okay.
so I will let you know. Usually it's the Saturday before Easter.
Oh, when is it? Oh, thank you.
I was, but I can't remember, but it's,
I think it's April, second Sunday in April, like
12th.
12th, okay.
Yeah, 'cause tomorrow is Ash Wednesday.
Yeah, that's what got me thinking about it.
Yeah.
12.
I was like, oh, Easter's coming.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, public comment on any topic. Anybody?
I should be able to give you an update on Easter by probably the workshop, I would say.
Okay, awesome, great, thank you.
Nobody? Okay. I need a motion to record the payment of the warrants.
I move for the, I make a resolution for the payment of electronic warrants 112 through 138 and warrants 51865 through 51966.
And I'll second that. It's been moved and seconded. Any discussion? Seeing none, Mrs. Watson, will you please call the roll?
Mr. Biggs?
Yes.
Mrs. Wright?
Yes.
Mrs. Van Huren?
Yes, motion passes.
I would just like to add one last thing, is we did post the annexation workshops
Oh, right, yeah.
videos up online. You can link to them through our page. The YouTube page for that is crazily named as Township Administrator, and because all the Bethel Township things were linked, and it's all linked to your Google account. So I created a new Google account called Township Administrator, because Bethel Township was taken, Bethel Miami was taken. I don't know who has them, but someone has them.
Man.
So it's called Township Administrator, but the links on our page will take you to those. And then we are starting to record all the trustee ones on video, so those will be posted up sometime tomorrow. We realize that the upload takes forever on YouTube. Where I had a learning curve for that. It took me 12 hours to upload the
Yeah,
first
a long
two sets. So yeah, it takes a little bit of time. So hopefully sometime tomorrow afternoon, today's meeting will be up.
Awesome. Thank you.
Great.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. Any motion to adjourn?